Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this easy step-by-step tutorial, we will learn how to change text direction in Microsoft Word without using a text box. Many people think text rotation requires shapes or text boxes, but Word also allows you to change the direction directly inside table or cells. This method is perfect when you want to create vertical text in tables, headers, labels, forms, or design layouts while keeping your document clean and well structured. So let's get started. Now you want to change the text direction without text box. You can make it on table. Go to the insert menu and click the table option. At first you can make the table. Now I am write something. Here we can see here the text backspace. Then go to the layout menu and find and select the text direction. Select the text direction option. We can see here we change the text direction. Now we can see we change the text direction in table without the text box easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.